Hey guys, tonight is a Merch by Amazon tip or trick for 2022. One thing you guys can do is you can go to Google, type in whatever product you're selling on Amazon, and just see what the search results come up for Google. Basically, like I'll give you a quick example. My product that I've been pushing this week and the last few weeks is my line of unicorn pillows. I just came out for merch. So what I would do is I would just go to Google, type in unicorn pillow, see what comes up for the main search results for Amazon. And then what I'm going to do is run product targeting on that pillow. Because obviously, if it's coming up as the main search result for Google, it's getting a lot of traffic, it's getting a lot of sales, it's getting a lot of reviews. So basically, to simplify it, guys, I'm just going to run product targeting on that specific Google search result. So that's it in a nutshell. That's the main tip for tonight is just go to Google, type in your product, see what comes up for the Amazon listing, and then run product targeting on that specific product, and you should be able to get some sales from that, get some traction from that, get some clicks from that, right? The goal would be to get the sale, but even getting clicks, they might be add to carts. You always want to stay positive, right, and not just assume you lost the sale. Gonna leave at least one of my designs in the description so you can check out what I've been up to this week. I'm also gonna have a half off helium 10 discount so that you guys can go to helium10.com, plug in my half off code, and get half off your first month of helium 10. I use magnet in all my t-shirt designs to see what the trending keywords are for, what I should use in my title, what I should run PPC keywords. So that's the beauty of helium 10, guys. If you guys have any Merch by Amazon questions, feel free to reach out. I'm more than willing to answer your questions. Um, it's been kind of a slow process for me. I've been on Amazon PPC for about 3 weeks as far as Merch by Amazon. I was doing PPC on my last product, which were sink snakes, but now I'm just doing Merch by Amazon and I'm starting to run PPC. I'm on like my second or third week, and I've had probably 3 or 4 sales from PPC. So it's been a slow start, right? I think I'm at like 11 sales total, either 10 or 11. It's like 10 or 11, and I need 20 to tier up. I believe my next tier will be tier 500. I'm on tier 100 right now. So if I can get those 20 sales, I can tier up to tier 500 and then make a lot more designs, right? They say once you get up on the tiers, that's when you start making a little bit of money. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm not getting rich right now. I still have another job that I go to, so I kind of just do merch as kind of a hobby, but at the same time, I'm running PPC on it, trying to get reviews on the shirts, trying to get reviews on my pillows. Because once you get a lot of reviews, then you would think that it might start even organically selling if you have those reviews and if you run PPC with reviews, you're much more likely to get the sale. So anyway, guys, that's tonight's Merch by Amazon tip for 2022. Is go to Google, type in your product, find out what comes up for the Google search result for that for Amazon, and then do a product targeting campaign on that specific Amazon product. So if you like this Merch by Amazon tip, please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video, share it with a fellow designer. Remember, guys, if you guys aren't on Merch by Amazon right now, my advice to you guys, if you want to go on to Merch by Amazon or apply to the program, is to open a Zazzle store. I believe anyone can open a Zazzle store. Get your store up, get some designs up, and then when you apply to merch, you can share that store website with them. And then Merch by Amazon will see you as more of a legit designer, right? If you already have a Zazzle store, they're gonna be like, well, geez, this guy has some sales on Zazzle. Let's give him a chance. So that's what I did, guys. I started with the Zazzle store, and then that's how I got into merch. I shared my Zazzle store link, and then merch was taking me more seriously as a designer. So that's kind of a side tip of how to get into merch. But anyway, you guys, like this video, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thank you for tuning in. Feel free to go over to helium10.com, plug in my half off code for Magnet, see if you can get it for a month. You could also get an Amazon selling course if you get the platinum plan. But anyway, guys, that's enough for tonight, right? Check out I'll leave one of my pillows in the description. You can check it out, see if it's something you might like to get with your tax return. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you guys have a great night. Sleep well, sweet dreams, and don't let the bed bugs bite. Until next time, we'll catch you later.